When you log into the Business Center, you'll be able to create two types of deals, a voter deal and an acquisition deal. Today we'll go over how to create a voter deal. Loyalty voter deals are an effective way to encourage customers to come back to your store to purchase additional products and services. This type of deal can only be purchased by individuals who cast a vote for your business. Here we'll enter the information for your deal. While entering the information, you'll be able to see a live preview of how your deal will appear on the right-hand side of the screen. First, we'll need to determine how much a customer will pay for your deal. Then we'll enter the retail value of your deal. You'll also need to set a deal description. When setting a description, remember to use short, simple language to explain your deal. Hold off on writing any restrictions, as you'll be able to apply those in step number 4. You'll also need to determine how your deal will be displayed. In step 2, you'll determine how many deals you're willing to sell. An individual can purchase up to 10 vouchers for individual use and up to 9 as gifts. You'll also be able to set a sales cap for your deals, meaning the total number of deals that you're willing to sell. In step 3, you'll need to set some conditions for your deal. For instance, how long your deal will be valid for after the date of purchase. If your business has multiple locations, you'll be able to offer the deal at all locations or only at select locations. You'll also be able to apply any custom restrictions here. In step 4, you'll need to determine when your deal will begin and when it will end. If you don't have an end date in mind for your deal, no worries. You can end your deal at any time in the Business Center or by contacting the CityVoter team with a desired future end date. Prior to submitting your deal for approval, you'll need to agree to CityVoter's Deals Merchant Agreement, which can be found here. Once you agree to the terms, you'll be able to submit your deal for approval. Upon submission, you'll receive 2 emails from CityVoter. One letting you know that your deal is pending approval, and another once your deal has been approved and ready to be purchased by voters.